Hey guys, it's Glenn
This is Patty
for G&P Custom Fabrication. And today's video we're going to do a couple things. Number one, we're going to do a cold start on Sketchy, and it's going to be in stereo. I've never seen it in stereo, but let's say in stereo together. 1, 2, 3.
in stereo.
Okay, and then we're going to do a little burnout. Patty do a solo burnout. I'm going to be manning the cameras, and so let's get started. Go ahead and fire it.
That was awesome.
Yep, good deal. And it held together.
It held together great, of course. You built it. Oh, everybody, that was great.
How's that for some live action?
I had a first attempt, but this time Glenn redone the brake pedal for me, made it a little bit bigger, and it helped me hold it better, so this time the Burnout was a lot easier for me, and I had so much fun doing it, and it's got me so excited. I hope you guys enjoy it, because this was our first experience of really doing something together.
Live action together.
Yes, especially with Sketchy, because she's still getting some breaking in doing.
Yeah, we got some bugs to work out of her, but it's getting there.
Yeah, so we look forward to doing some more testing, especially with me learning this camera and getting me in front of it. So we'll keep on trying and we'll keep on posting, and hope you guys keep on watching and enjoying.
This is Glenn.
And this is Patti.
G&P
G&P Custom Fabrication.
Living the dream.
To the freaking phone rings.
Thank you.